Greetings mortals, it is I, Elifoyunda37, and today I'm gonna demonstrate how I make fandom on CRACC. So firstly we have to take screenshots of the comments. I already have them in my gallery right here. So we have to crop these individually. Alright, here we go. Now let's go to our video editor. For this I use Power Director, but you can use any other video editor. But I recommend using Power Director, it's way more simple. Okay. Of the pictures right here. Also, for between the posts, as you probably know, I put pictures. I usually search them at Pinterest, however, please do be careful who the art belongs to. Sometimes the reposts at Pinterest don't show this. It can be a problem and I have faced it before. Now the next thing is the background music. I usually go with music box covers of songs, so you won't get a copyright strike. Also, I sometimes use different sound effects. The technical difficulty sound effect is always used after every post. After putting the sounds and stuff, it's time for the voices. For this, I use several text-to-speech sites. CTS MP3, Outcast, Text Reader Pro, and AVS Poly are the ones that I use. Most of these sites have the ability to download normal sound files, except from Outcast. I have to record the sound with a screen recorder, and yes, that is why you can sometimes hear the other sounds during Fandom on CRACC. Making these videos are truly painful. Also, just in case, here is the list of who has which text-to-speech, although this list might not be all. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And there we go. And you have your part of Fandom on CRACC. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later, mortals.